Let us begin with the Help section, where you can understand how to track your budget. First is Income section. Obviously, this is where you will add all your income transactions. You need description, date, select category of transaction, amount, any supportive document to upload, and extra notes if needed. You can see the count of transactions and total amount automatically calculated at the bottom. By adding specific year, month and year combination or category, you can filter your transactions. You can also add more filters if needed. Transactions can also be viewed by month and year combination. You can also view all of them by year to get a comprehensive view. Similarly, expense transactions are managed. Enter your expenses here and same details will be available as income transactions. Get a monthly and yearly expenses view as we have seen earlier in income transactions. Lastly, the transaction categories. These are very important ones as they are used to properly categorize each of our income and expense transactions. You can add more here in the Transaction Categories section, and they will appear in category selection automatically. That's it, friend. If you would like to use this Notion template, then find the link in the description along with other free and premium Notion templates. Thank you.